Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And you can see what other goodies I have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Oh boy. Here we go. And this comes from my good friends over at YummyBazzaar. This is their solar home cam B7 2K 3MP dual lens security camera. Oh, that's a nice one. I'm gonna have to find a spot for this somewhere outside. Of course, it's available on the app and Google Play. And you get the goodies in the box. And we set it up. Here's model number B7 2K 3MP. Viewing angle is 115 degrees. Wi-Fi frequency is 2.4. IP65 waterproof. And the temperature is data storage not included. TF card. So if you have an extra one, pop it in. If not, it still works without it. So either or. And then here's the goodies. 3MP full HD. PIR motion detection, color night vision, TF storage, two-way audio, multi-user sharing. You can share it with other family members or friends or neighbors in case you go out of town. Solar battery power, which is a good thing. Pan and tilt, siren, and IP65 waterproof. Powerful camera. Here we go. Might want to grab a couple. Got that Father's Day sales going on now. Quick start guide. Got a little window sticker for your small business or your home. Got some templates to drill. I'm not going to use these because I already got a spot, I think, that's open. For my other cameras, I'll swap out. We got the screws, of course. More screws. Screw. 3 bags of screws. We got some big old screw. USB. And where do we grab this from? Alright, here's a solar panel. Bada boom. I'll take that off at the end. So make sure you set it up first. That's a bracket. While installing the app and everything, and then install it outside. Empty. Close it up, seal it back up. Now let the fun begin. B7 wansview, good company in the solar business for the cameras. Ooh, that looks nice. I think I have a couple of them in my house. Here's a solar, really nice. There's a mounting bracket for the other guy. And then USB, just hook up to the back. So I already got the screw parts out of the way. Now the camera. Make sure the lens. Take everything off. So like I said, they got their Father's Day sales going on now. That's nice. Ooh, I can't wait to see how this looks. Definitely gonna have the whole video in this one. This is where the TF card goes. And the reset key. See reset right there. It's backwards. TF card right there. So easy peasy setup. Here's a speaker in the back for the siren and the two-way audio. This is where you stick the USB cord for the solar. If I can pull it out, there we go. That's where the solar goes, right in there. And right there is a back QR code. So I think it goes this way. Let's have it. Did you kind of like that? Just make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4. So we got the tilt. Okay, smooth. It's kind of, oh yeah, this one moves too. Cool. I like these. Not too heavy. So the screwing part will be at the end. And then, like I said, all you gotta do is hook this up. It should have some power to it for the video, so that we could at least start it. And then, like I said, install, I'll just put it outside somewhere in the backyard. I know where I'm going to put it. I just hopefully there's a easy spot. There we go. Now see, it has power. It's really no sun today, I don't think. It's supposed to be raining all day. Yeah, it's kind of gloomy. So it might be kind of hard to get a full charge out of it, but it should be good to go. That's good, that's good. And then you gotta do is just have some fun. Yeah, see, that goes in here like that. But I still need to screw it, and then we'll be good to go. I think that goes. Folds out. Then you come out this. Or I might just have it hooked on a fence. Should be good. I'll figure that part out later. But yeah, that's pretty cool. A lot of them don't have a stand like that. So we got that covered, that covered. Now we're gonna have to download the app. I think my voice is going out. We'll try to get it. Time to get the phone. I'll be back. That's what the app's called. YummyBazzaar Cloud. And see, I do have a couple, but it's been a while since I used them, so last year. And then all you gotta do is add a device right here. And then try to find a V7 right there. And we're gonna do connection by QR code. Yeah, connection QR code. Confirm battery is turned on, so you gotta hit this button right there. We'll go back to the here. Make sure you guys can see this thing in action. Oh. Come on. Hold up. Here we go. Finally got that. Ah, here's that. There we go. Whoa. Okay, calm down. Now let's hook up the solar. There we go. Now it's whoa. Now it's gonna scan. Boom. Okay, hold on.
Camera lens and wait for the scan.
You gotta do that. Usually it picks up. Hold up. Alright, once you hook it up, it'll say pairing is successful. And then you're going to be live right down there. And now we can just have some. Okay, we are live. Whoa. See camera on. Camera off. Talk mode. Tap. There we go. See how it pop up motion. Why would that? There we go. Now we're in 2K settings. Single. We'll keep it at 2K. That's really clear. Really nice. And I think it could pop up right there. Here is the light. Okay, you guys switch. Auto infrared. All off. Automatic. Get back out of there. Light off. Whoa, that is bright. So you can tell if someone walks through, you'll know when the light comes on. You get a screenshot. Send it to the whoever, backup, record. There you go. And then you're going to do the motion detection, standard mode, performance mode, custom mode, everything mode. Just back up. Motion alert is on. Enable 24 hours a day. Human. I think I'm going to have it off though, because it's going to be loud. We'll test that out right now. Siren. Triggered by motion. Ah. Okay, that's enough. That's pretty cool. So we pretty much figured it out. And the other video will be up in a little bit at the end of this video to where I'm going to install it. Coming. And this is one way we can have it installed, which I'm going to have it outside, hooked up to my fence. So you got enough room there. Like I said, this thing is super lightweight. And I'm going to tuck the cable and we'll be good to go. Just a little screw right there. And then all set. But you could do it, like I said, mount it on your walls, your garage. Then have the solar on the roof. But I'm going to keep it like this. Like I said, super lightweight, not heavy at all. Great for homes, small businesses, you name it. Backyards, it's already hooked up. I get notifications, the sound. And we're going to do night vision when it gets darker, a couple hours. So stay tuned until the end. Coming up, YummyBazzaar B7 solar cam. Alright guys, before we go outside, I'll show you where it's mounted. Watch this. You can zoom in. And then it has like a special binocular type zoom. You can zoom all the way. Zoom out. Flip that away. You can see where it's at. We'll go outside in a second. Still kind of daylight. I'm not sure if the light's going to show good. But I did all my adjustings. Motion detection. Standard mode. Performance mode. Tell what it is. Detection. Far. Okay, there we go. And then you can see right there. It's a pretty good charge. Good connection. And then like this. All the way. Zoom. And you can change the light. I kind of can see it. There we go. Kind of lights up. There you go. You can always close out. And then position, siren, console is, like the tracking, like this. Don't mind that dot. I had water damage in my phone. So, oh, the moon's out. So it's getting closer. We'll be outside in a minute. So we're going outside. It might pick it up. Right there. See, it's tracking me. Right there. And then shed light. Boom. And this thing is bright. As you can see. But really cool. You can see on my phone. Right there. See, really sensitive over this side. Here we go. It's a good spot. Getting it to mount it. Fits perfect. And then there you go. Got that top part. Looking good though. And then you'll get notifications on your phone. But really cool. Link it. Link in bio. Check them out. Have a good night.